Welcome to MICHQUEST, where artificial intelligence meets business development to revolutionize startup growth in Genesee County. In today's fast-paced business world, AI is transforming how we strategize and scale. At MICHQUEST, AI tools are seamlessly integrated into our business strategies, automating processes, analyzing complex data, and driving smarter decisions that keep you ahead of the curve. Our comprehensive programs are designed to equip you with the essential AI skills required to thrive. From our in-depth AI training sessions to our specialized startup incubation program, MICHQUEST provides a holistic learning experience. Here, you'll gain practical experience with cutting-edge AI tools, receive expert mentorship, and learn how to apply AI insights to scale your business. A tech-driven approach is the cornerstone of modern business success. With AI, startups can optimize operations, reduce overhead costs, and unlock new avenues for innovation. Our members experience real benefits, enhanced efficiency, rapid scalability, and a competitive edge in today's digital economy. As technology continues to evolve, so do the opportunities for business innovation. At MICHQUEST, we are dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs with the latest AI technologies and industry expertise, ensuring your business is prepared for the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow. Are you ready to transform your business with the power of AI? Visit us at MICHQUEST.com and follow us on social media for more insights, events, and success stories. Subscribe, like, and share this video to join the MICHQUEST revolution in Genesee County.